In our previous video, we have studied about what is system Verilog. We will see in this video what is the main difference between simple Verilog and system Verilog. So first of all, system Verilog intent. So in Verilog, design entry and module level verification is available. In system Verilog, module level design, gate level simulations, system level verification, unified language to span almost the entire SOC design flow. Okay, so relaxed data type rules. In Verilog, strict about usage of wire and register data type. Variable types are 4 state, that are 0, 1, X and Z. In system Verilog, logic data type can be used, so need not to worry about register and wire. 2 state data type added, 0, 1 state. 2 state variables can be used in a test benches where X, Z are not required. 2 state variable in RTL model may enable simulators to be more efficient. What is difference related with memory management? So in Verilog, memories in a Verilog are static in nature, and for example, register 7 as to 0 and 0 as to 127. So it requires 128 bytes of memory. In system Verilog, memories are dynamic in nature, allocated at a runtime. Better memory management, that means queues are present, means sequence. For example, logic 3 as to 0, length as a sign. Okay, this is a sign. An empty queue with an unbounded size of logic data type. So related with complexity, Verilog. For complex design, large number of RTL code is required. Increase in verification code to test this design and need extra time. In system Verilog, less RTL and verification code, less code, hence less number of bugs, readable, higher level of abstraction due to algorithmic nature, which is inherited from C++. So hardware specific procedures. In Verilog language, it uses the always procedure to represent sequential logic, combinational logic and latch logic. In system Verilog, it uses new procedure always FF, always COM, that is combinational logic, sequential logic, and always latch, which is also sequential logic. Related with the port connection, ports are connected using either name instance or positional instance. In system Verilog, ports are connected using design OUT, which means connect all port to variable or nets with same name as a port. Related with the synthesis support, extensive support for Verilog tool in simulation and synthesis. In system Verilog, synthesis tool support for system Verilog is limited. So this is the major drawback which is restricting people to accept system Verilog. Thank you.